Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue that JavaScript error has occurred in the main process. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to re-register the JavaScript DLL file. So kung paano ba natin yan gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na regs sbr32 space gscript.dll. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na regs sbr32 space gscript.dll, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na DLL register server in script.dll succeeded, and then click mo lang dito yung OK, and then close lang natin itong CMD. And next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa ating keyboard ay press mo lang yung Windows key plus letter R and pop up itong run, and then so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na %local data %. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na %local data %, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And madadirect tayo dito sa File Explorer. So ang next step ay dito kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung problematic app folder na nagko-cause ng problem. Okay? So, select ka lang dito. For example, and then select mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, click mo lang dito yung delete. Okay? So, once na-delete mo na siya, and then, close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process message. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.